All right, guys, I'm going to try to do 2 problems. I might only get through 1. I'm sorry this is posted. I don't know why I keep getting sick, but I'm going to try to make this one work for you guys. I know you saw this in class, though, in my class, and I'm pretty sure Mr. Tillis's. So it's just a new inverse. Logs and exponents, we undo each other. So why don't you go ahead and build this using Gemma tables. So, and find the inverse. So go ahead and do that. So hopefully you said, okay, well, I'll start with x times 12. And you take the log base 4. And then you times 3. Okay? So now we have our we've built it, so now we're going to create our inverse, okay? So I'm going to start with x, and I'm going to divide by 3. I am going to undo a log, take base 4, base 4 to that, which is 4x over 3. I'm going to take that whole thing and divide it by 12, which is 4x over 3. Let me make that clear. 4 to the x over 3, and that whole thing divided by 12. Okay. So I get my inverse, which is negative f of x is 4x over 3 over 12. All right. And now I'm going to verify plugging one into the other. So I'm going to take 3 log base 4 of 12, and in place of x, I'm going to put 4x over 3 over 12. Okay? All right. Let's see if I can undo this. So, I'm looking at Gemma. Certainly hoping this works because I think I only got 1 in me. In the grouping, there's really not much for me to do inside here that are inverses of each other. But in the exponents, I see this is like an exponent, but there are no inverses with that. Multiplying and dividing, I see a 12 and a 12. So I have 3 log base 4 to the x over 3. Okay? Looking at x, I see it divided by 3, but I see this inverse, this base 4 and to the 4th power. Those are inverses, so those cancel each other out. So I have 3 log x divided by 3. Oh, sorry. Yep, see, there's my mistake because I'm not thinking. Excuse me, it should have been log 4 and the exponent 4 cancel each other out. So those both cancel each other out. So the log base 4 and 4 to that power. So that should be 3 equals x over 3. And finally, we have, excuse me, that's not even an equals, 3 times x over 3. And so finally we have x being multiplied by 3 and then turning around being divided by 3. So those cancel. We equal x. There's an example. I am sweating like a madman because I think I have a fever. So I'm not even doing the second one. You guys do the second one for homework, and we'll look at it in class tomorrow. Thank you.